Welcome, curious minds. Ever wondered about the incredible inner workings of our feathered friends? Let's dive into the fascinating world of a bird's stomach. Did you know a bird's stomach is remarkably efficient, often divided into two parts? The proventriculus, which secretes digestive juices, and the gizzard, a muscular organ that grinds food, sometimes with the help of small stones. This powerful system allows them to digest a wide variety of foods. Regarding hunger, birds have a high metabolism. Many small birds need to eat frequently, sometimes every 15-30 minutes, to maintain energy levels. Larger birds can often go longer between meals. And how do they nourish their young? Many adult birds regurgitate partially digested food from their crops or stomachs, offering a nutrient-rich meal directly to their chicks. It's a remarkable act of parental care. Thank you for joining us on this journey into avian biology. We hope you found it as captivating as we did.